Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a maintenance manager in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual salary for a maintenance manager is approximately $75,460, which translates to about $6,290 per month. After federal taxes, which for this income level fall into the 22% bracket, the take-home pay would be roughly $58,859 annually, or about $4,904 monthly. Where you live significantly impacts your earnings. For instance, maintenance managers in California earn an average of around $85,000. Those in New York make approximately $82,000. And in Massachusetts, salaries average about $81,000. Conversely, states like West Virginia, with an average salary of $55,000, Florida at about $56,000, and South Dakota around $56,000, offer lower wages for this role. Experience also plays a crucial role in salary variation. Entry-level maintenance managers with less than 3 years of experience can expect to earn around $62,500 annually. Those with 4 to 9 years of experience typically earn about $71,200 per year. For professionals with 10 to 20 years of experience, salaries average around $78,560 annually, and those with more than 20 years of experience can earn up to $83,490. Educational qualifications and certifications further influence salary potential. Maintenance managers with advanced degrees or additional certifications tend to earn higher than average salaries, often exceeding $83,000 annually. In summary, the salary for a maintenance manager in the United States varies based on factors such as location, experience, and education, with earnings ranging from approximately $47,640 to over $114,680 annually. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.